So at Essential, we've been creating workspace maps for over 15 years, and there's a couple of things that we've learned. One is very rare to get a clean CAD map of an office floor plan. We get all kinds of maps sent to us. PDF files, it could be a photograph with notes scribbled on it, and we can work with that. The second thing is that facilities teams and IT teams are usually very busy, and they may not want to have to learn another platform to create and manage those maps in. So we've extended our map creation service to Microsoft Places. It's a white glove service that will take whatever imagery you've got, work with you, and turn those into IMDF files for Microsoft Places. We can also advise your facilities teams on how to optimize the map to help people in the office. And we can also help your IT teams in implementation of Places, getting the maps loaded, and any issues you have along the way. You can choose our Accelerate service, which will give you a quick turnaround on IMDF maps, and also our annual Adapt service, which will give you the ability to come back to us, whether it's changes to those maps as your workspace evolves, or to add new features that Microsoft have added. And if you're a very large enterprise that has multiple buildings and a lot more of a complicated implementation, then our advanced services will be tailored for you. So if you want to talk about any of our services, or if you want a quote for converting maps, please do get in touch. We're taking the complexity away from you around creating maps for Microsoft Places so that you can carry on doing what you're doing and not have to look after those maps yourself.